everybody, what's up? It's Lakh and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing this look right here, and it's my graduation look. It's basically a recreation of my graduation look from last year. Last year I graduated college, and this is basically the look that I did. I don't think I used the exact same things that I'm gonna be using in this video, but the eye look was exactly the same and my makeup was essentially the same. So yeah, I wanted to recreate the look because I really liked my graduation makeup. I thought it was nice and glam and like, okay, I'm gonna graduate, but it wasn't too much or like overdid or anything. I have a brown and gold eye going on, which is my favorite go-to eye look ever, and I just think it looks great with so many things. And for my graduation, I had a white dress on, so it matched perfectly, but brown really goes with a lot of things. So whether you're about to graduate from college, from high school, if you're promoting from 8th grade or whatever, then I feel like you'll like this video and you'll like this tutorial. So congratulations, and I hope you have a really good graduation, and I hope the next chapter in your life is a really good one. And yeah, if you'd like to see this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Right, it's graduation day, you just woke up, time to get ready. So let's do this. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my Tarte drink of H2O. I'm just going to moisturize the face with this so we have a nice base. And we're going to start with the eyes, so I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer to prime my eyes, and then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. I'm going to use this Too Faced powder to set the concealer so that we don't have any creases in the eyeshadow. Going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade Silk Cream, and I'm going to use that as my first transition color, and we're just going to put that into the crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Pooter, and this is going to be our second transition shade, so it's also going to go into the crease, and this shade is a little bit darker, so it's going to add a little bit more definition. Next, for the outer V, I'm going to take the shade Central Park, and I'm going to put this into the outer V. And we're going to use this to darken up the look a little bit and add a little smoky effect to it. So I'm just going to place this first with the brush onto the outer V, and then I'm going to take the blending brush I was using before with the transition shades, and we're going to use that to blend it all out. Next, I'm going to take the shade Queen, and I'm going to put this onto my brush and spray it with Fix Plus just to get the most intensity I can. And then I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. And this shade is such a perfect gold shimmer shade. It's just honestly so perfect, and it can go with so many looks, and especially with Fix Plus, it looks so beautiful. Next, I'm going to take Central Park again, and we're just going to redefine the outer V, because when we put the shimmer shade, it kind of, got lost in the sauce. So I'm just going to put that back and then take the fluffy blending brush and blend over again. And now I'm going to take an even fluffier blending brush and then just blend through the whole look. And this is my little trick I like to do just to make sure everything looks nice and seamless. Next, I'm going to take this NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to draw on a wing, and this is going to take a while, so I'm just going to skip this part and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on mascara, and this L'Oreal Lash Paradise is a really good mascara, so I definitely recommend. Now onto the face, I'm going to use this Too Faced Hangover primer, and I'm just going to put this all on my face. This primer is a really good one, so yeah, I've been liking it a lot. Next, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just going to dot this all over my face and then blend it in with a beauty sponge from Morphe. And this foundation is only like $6, so yeah. And I'm going to take that same Wet n Wild concealer that I used on my eyes, and I'm just going to use this to conceal my under eyes, my forehead, and my chin. And this is in the shade Medium Tawny. And then I'm just going to blend that in with the same beauty sponge. And back with the Too Faced powder, I'm going to use this on a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to pack this underneath my eyes and then the forehead and chin where I concealed with the concealer. And then I'm actually going to take a fluffy, like a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that to set my whole face with this powder, because since graduation it's going to be hot, there's going to be a lot of people, a lot of things going on, so you're going to sweat. So this is why I'm going to set my whole face, just so my face can be nice and sweat proofed as much as it can be. Now I'm going to take this Makeup Forever bronzer, and this is in the shade 30M, and it's a really, really nice bronzer. And so I'm just going to take this onto a denser brush and then put it on my bronzing spots, so my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. And I'm going to add a powder bronzer on top, and this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to apply this on all the places I applied the Makeup Forever bronzer, and this is just going to make the skin look even more bronzy and really, really pretty. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold, and I'm going to use this to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And this highlighter is super, super pretty. It's like a really nice shade of gold, and it's from the drugstore, so it's super affordable too. I'm going to use the MAC blush in the shade Melba, and this is a really nice like baby pink blush, and I'm just going to apply this onto the cheeks. Back to the eyes, I'm going to take the shade Pooter, and I'm going to take a small blending brush and put this on the lower lash line, just so we have a little bit of definition there. And with the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Mocha and also put it on the lower lash line, and this is just going to deepen up the lower lash line just a little bit more. Now I'm going to go in with the flat top brush, and I'm going to take the shade Central Park, and I'm going to pack this really close to the lash line, and it's going to act as kind of like an eyeliner. I don't like to wear like super dark eyeliner, so I like to do this instead because it gives it a little bit more of a natural look. And then I'm going to take that small blending brush again, and I'm just going to blend through everything just so everything is nice and blended together. And now I'm going to take the same highlighter I used on my face, and I'm going to put this into my inner corner and then also my brow bone. For lips, I'm going to use the MAC Cork Lip Liner, and I'm going to first use this to line the lips. And then I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade Appy, and I'm going to apply this on top. And this is a really, really nude shade, so that's why I put MAC Cork Lip Liner on first, just so it would balance it out, because I do have a medium tan skin tone, so if I just put this color on by itself, it'd look like a hot mess. So make sure to wear a brown lip liner. And I'm going to go back in with the brown lip liner, and I'm just going to use this to slightly redefine the lips. And finally, I'm going to use this Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to spray my face and fan myself. And then, as always, I'm going to take my beauty sponge and just pat everything in so it looks nice and flawless. We are all done. We are ready. We are looking good. We are looking fierce. And we're ready to graduate, honey. Alright you guys, so that was the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was easy to follow along to and user-friendly. And again, congratulations on your graduation if you are graduating. And I'm so excited for you, and I know you're gonna look amazing. So have fun on your graduation, and I hope it's a really, really good one. And thank you so much for watching the video. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button on this video. And I'll see you guys next time.